Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Operation.
What does the dictionary say?
A process of a practical or mechanical nature in some form of work or production.
Math rap.
An operation is a mathematical process commonly done with operators. Plus or minus or multiply or divide. It's what you do when you want to change or combine a set of values.
Math rap.
Explain operations in your own words. Surgeons do operations to save lives. What other professions do operations? What is your fave operation to do in math? Create 4 different math operations. Make one using addition, one with subtraction, one with division, and one with multiplication. What professions require you to use all 4 math operations in a day?
Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!